It was my greatest experience ever.
I like the challenges. It's what makes you alive. Hein?
Et on s'est dit, on va arriver en faisant mieux que les autres. Et voilà, c'était le pari.
It has been always the story of a team.
12 secondes, une vie.
A group of people so passionate, so brilliant.
I believe that there are still opportunities, and also I think that we have the right people in the company.
The first time I put the product on the table, I remember the eyes of the physician.
People is the key. People is the key.
Il cambiamento di fatto parte della vita, ti porta a nuovi stimoli.
Attitude for me is number one.
Et on va réécrire quelque chose qui va être extraordinaire.